Marquesas to the Tuamotus. And the atoll that we've chosen to kill first is Makemo. And I can turn the camera around to show you Makemo, but it's still too far away. We can see it, but GoPro not gonna let you see it. Anyway, we're excited.
We're going through the southeast entrance, which is going to be where most people go, and it can be a little bit fraught with dangers with the wrong conditions, but we've got good conditions.
So we are, as you can hear, motoring. We're a little bit late. We're talking half an hour late, which is
should be fine.
Which is wonderful. But we lost wind, so I'm just hedging bets that we'll be at better time with the motor running. That's why we're running the motor.
Yeah.
We got the sails up still, motor's running, we're doing 9 knots, and we're trying to make the cut at Makemo.
Yeah.
For me,
up again.
Yeah. And for me, the South Pacific starts here. This is kind of what I dreamed of, all those deserted atolls. Lori calls me an atoll. Something like that. Anyway, we're looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. Diving.
Exciting.
Yep, our friends just got on the radio with us and they dove yesterday, and we're going to join them tomorrow. So cool.
Yes. Double thumbs up.
Yep.
Very excited.
Makemo.
Makemo. Those are our trusty bicycles, and we're finally able to use them. This is a 20-kilometer long paved road that we're on. We're just having a break, right, Laura? Beautiful. This is the Pacific side. We're lucky. One side's the Pacific and the other side's a lagoon. Just gorgeous.
Pacific.
Wild one.
Lagoon. Anyway, we're out for a bike ride. We just got here, and it's the best so far for us.
Oh yeah, this is the best place so far for sure.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. So we're back into town, and I just wanted to show you the streets of the town of Makemo. So these roads are so delightful. This is where we got our baguette. And we'll get our baguette tomorrow and next day. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these streets are all very, very What are you doing, Lori?
We're in a yellow boat. Maybe in boat jaune.
Bateau jaune.
Jaune.
Bonjour.
Or sunglasses.
I think they're in my bag.
Are you in your bag?
I've got extra pairs too.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Bonjour.
Careful of the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Don't hide.
Cannot escape.
So we've hired a boat for the day, or the morning anyway, and we're going to go see where the locals go.
Yeah.
This is the way to do it. There's our boats over there.
They do 7 knots, and this does 40 knots.
No. Really?
Oh yeah, it'll do 40 knots. For sure. When we came into the anchorage in Makemo, we decided we were going to anchor. We were going to anchor on top of somebody's anchor. So this is who we anchored on top of.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, Josh. And they're from the Pacific Northwest. C'est bon. Well, there's our boat. And here's a little slice of heaven. So we are getting plates made. Can't have dinner without plates.
That's right.
Who knew we were even getting dinner? Did you know?
No.
Look who's coming.
Hi, you look pretty comfortable against the palm tree.
I know.
You could probably just scramble up, you know. Grab a few coconuts.
Scramble up there like a 16-year-old kid and get those coconuts for my girl.
Yeah.
Just one little word of caution.
Yes.
If you're relying on those coconuts for sustenance and for life,
Yes.
you're going to die.
Why is that?
Because I'm 61 years old and I can't climb up there.
I thought we reversed it to 16, 61.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I thought. I thought since you're 61, you're really connected to 16.
Yep. Sure is idyllic, isn't it?
Scott, he's climbed the tree and he's getting a coconut. But the problem is he has to come all the way down again. Are you going to be able to do it, hun? Okay, good. Low-lying fruit.
A 61-year-old can climb a coconut tree if he wants. Just got to pick the right tree. Doesn't get any fresher than that, folks.
It's like, oh man, see that? Oh, the cold in my eyes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
There you go. A day's work.
C'est bon, le poisson. Mouche.
Okay, I figured a way into it. I got a little path here into the estuary between two reefs, and I'm able to do it. So I'm doing it, and see the green, and we're going, and I'm pretty much past the reef, and so it looks like it's nice here on in.
Yeah, it's pretty windy out there, and I just wanted to show you how I attach my my mooring lines to a dock that's made of concrete. I made these up in St. Carlos, and they've come in handy a couple of times. So have a look. Pretty cool. while I was here, we've been here for a long time. While I was here, I met a young gentleman who I befriended, and he's just an absolutely sweet kid. And his name is, what's your name? Davey? So that's Davey. And your brother? Ah. Anyway, the story is, when I saw him, he had a really crappy bike and I tried fixing it, and it was kind of beyond repair. So we bought him a new one. Beautiful. You like it, brother? Yeah. Glad you enjoy it. So that's Davey. I think that it's a shakedown cruise for who's going to go and represent Makemo at the big games in Tahiti. Anyway, this was race number 2. Anyway, it's all exciting. And here's Davey. Davey's still here. Bonjour, Davey. And his bicycle. Bonjour. I think he's happy. I think he likes his bike. You like your bike? Yes. Okay. So we've cycled out to the airport. There's a once a week airplane that comes to Makemo, and it's a big deal. Lori was out here yesterday and she said there was no cars here at all, and now the parking lot is relatively full. The airport building. Everybody's happy? So we've moved down the atoll further down Makemo. Still in Makemo, but now we're in a desolate area. And Harlequin and Muskoka are right there. And we're going for a walk.
We're still walking up the beach in the middle of Makemo. It's about 16 miles away from the southeast entrance of Makemo, and it's described as the best anchorage in all of Makemo. And it's pristine. It's just beautiful. It's going.
That's not a blackfin.
No.
That's a silky.
That's a silky. Yeah, that's a silky.
That's what they
It's
call
a
it.
big
call it. That's a
silky.
silky. It's got to be.
Yeah.
Well, there we go, folks. This is our last night in Makemo, and that's a pretty spectacular sunset. So thanks for having patience watching my stuff, and we'll see you at the next atoll.